Our next laboratory exercise is FLTK menu classes. And this is laboratory exercise number 20. In this exercise we add a menu system to the existing window and practice with organization of a menu and a set of menu callbacks. So as usual, we begin by copying Visual Studio project, and our latest laboratory exercise was, I believe, this was laboratory 16. So I'm going to make a copy of this laboratory and start making changes in this project. So here I made a copy of laboratory 16, and now we can open this project in Visual Studio. Solution file is still named laboratory 16, so we're going to rename it once it gets loaded. And this will be our new name, so just rename solution and project name. And also the main file. So the first task is to open Fluid Designer and basically add items such as menu bar, a menu, and menu items using our Fluid system. So let's jump to Fluid and get started with the Fluid project. So under External Fluid, start Fluid Designer, and now we need to open our Fluid project located under Fluid project in our new laboratory folder. Alright, so this will be the location. So I'm just going to say File, Open, and navigate to this place, and this will be our Fluid project to open. So this looks familiar. We still haven't renamed the laboratory 16 title, so it's good time to probably just go ahead and make it updated right here. So we're just going to go and change the label. Alright, so first what we're going to do is let's select the Fluid window, WinApp. Just make sure that we select this, and we can navigate to new menus, right? New, and then menus, and the first step to add the menu bar. So the menu bar is actually the placeholder of the window menu. So it's properties opening automatically, but I'm not going to make changes to this set of properties right now. And you see that by default it kind of fits into this window. If this is not the case, if you want to resize it, you can just highlight it and use the handles here to make the necessary adjustments. So once we have this in place, as always, it's always important to make sure that you highlight correct item in the tree view. And now we can navigate to new menus, and we need to create a submenu. So the submenu is the item that is going to be visible directly on the menu bar. So here we're going to say the submenu is going to be File. Okay, so you see how it instantly appears on the menu bar. So that's all we need to do right now with this. And now that we have the menu bar, and now we have the submenu item, and this time we can add 3 menu items. So these menu items will appear under this when we click File. Those items will appear. And So we're just going to again make sure that we highlight the submenu and new. Again, menus, and this time we're going to select the menu item. So the label will be visible under File. So the first one we're going to use Save, so that the user can save the information. I'm just going to close it, or we can also rename the actual item to give its name in Fluid Project. So if we switch to C++ tab, we can instantly give this name menu save. Of course, we will manipulate this menu and attach callbacks to this menu naturally by using this name. So now it's fine. And again, make sure that you select submenu, and so this time we're going to create next menu item load. Right, so we're just going to say new menus, okay, new menus, and menu item one more time. So this time we're going to call this load, and let's fix the label first. Load. And the name for it will be menu load. Okay, so now we have two menu items, and the third one is going to be quit. So let's again go to menus, and actually very important to again select the appropriate submenu before we say new menus. Okay, new menus, menu item, and quit, and the menu quit. So these are all modifications that we have to do at this point. So let's just review what we have. This is how my project tree looks like in Fluid. So hopefully everything is organized as expected. So of course we can now save the project first, and then file and write code as we usually do to update Fluid generated files. So both files were written for our window class, and we should be ready to build the system and see our menus at runtime. So why don't we do that? So right now I'm looking at my project. I'm just going to say build, just build solution as it is at this stage. Okay, and press Ctrl F5 to do a quick test. So here we have our drawing box, our drawing primitive selections, and file has these menu items visible. So you can see that now the menu is available. So we need to connect callbacks to these menu items to make them operational. Okay, so this is all we need to do in Fluid. It seems like we're done. Okay, so I'm just going to close Fluid window. Okay, and then the next step is to add menu callback functions.